Well, these are always popular when they come back on catalogue. Mason's Red Vista, made in a variety of colours, as the name suggests. That we have to title it as Red Vista, but beautiful Mason's Ironstone china, classic old 17th century blockwork design with the couple and dogs looking over a sort of almost Eastern pagoda type palace arrangement. Mason's Red Vista, crown marks on these teacups, guaranteed permanent acid resistant colour with that crown. We'll look at the dates and list that in the listing. Pie crust rims on the outer aspect, smooth inner rims, slightly flared, double arch handles, and then the beautiful Red Vista ivy leaf inner wall detailing, and a little bit of the same coming down the handle. These are sitting on these very nice little saucer plates. There is some glaze crazing. You've seen this fine cracking, so common in Vista. More apparent on the reverse of this one, as you can see. Just look at that. Cracked almost universally across the surface. 3 kiln support marks, as you expect with all Mason's Ironstone. And slightly different crown mark on there. Look at the variation between those 2 marks on these sets. Slightly different dates, but same era. We're looking at sort of 1940s, 1950s for these particular marks. So these are transitional sets coming out of the same factory, but with slightly updated china marks on one of the pieces. Lovely sets. I think there's 3 or 4 of them coming through. Dessert plates, a few other pieces. I think there's a couple of non-rimmed English wide soup bowls also being listed, and a soup cup coming through as well. So look out if you are looking for specific pieces of Mason's Red Vista. Do follow the link below to the website and have a browse through to see what's currently on catalogue and in stock available from us here in the UK. Thanks for watching.